Hey guys, it's Sunday night. You know what that means. Walking Dead finale. Just waiting for Christine to get home. We always watch The Walking Dead when she gets home from work. And I will be hiding the camera over here in the dark. And hopefully this motion light stays on, which I think it will. Because I'll be able to see her coming down the driveway before she'll see me. And I'm going to hide over there behind the car. And she scares real easily. So this should be fun.
What's wrong with you? Jesus Christ.
It's Walking Dead night.
What is wrong with you? Oh my God, I think I just crapped my pants.
Walking Dead finale.
I almost just stabbed you with my key. I was gonna...
Ready for The Walking Dead?
Yeah. You're totally filming me. Oh my God. You're such a douche.